Hey guys, it's your girl Lovely. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a Birchbox I received. It's their spring box. I said, let's go ahead and talk about it. See if it's anything in this box that I like and I don't like. I like to find products that really work well with aging skin, things that are fun to play with, um, items that have a luxury feel but a decent cost. I also love things that are just like a little weird, a little weird. Love organic, love vegan, love when people decide to make a product that's for adult joy versus like everything always being so stuffy. Okay, so what's in the box? So this is my Birch box. All right. And this is Bloom into Our Spring Favorites, Haas Labs. Okay. Here is the cute little situation that's inside of it. So, one, when I think about products that I want to receive, I'm thinking about things that I wasn't expecting. Okay, so Tidal Rose. This is Earth Harbor. Earth Harbor makes a wonderful hydrating mist. Usually, when I get this mist, it is, yes, this is their seaweed hydration mist. So, this this is the box. Okay. I wanna know what it smells like because I think I get one that was rose. Not bad. Let's see. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. Earth Harbor, every time I get a hydrating mist from them, it is so nice, and I use the hydrating mist, say, for instance, I wash my face first thing in the morning, and then I wanna do my skincare routine, I'll use a hydrating mist to really just lightly, moisture moisture, to lightly moisturize my face. Then I'll start my process again. Again, I am all about creating new layers of hydration for my face. It just looks so much better when I am hydrated. And sometimes I be so Vaselined up that I feel like a little kid again because my mama used to Vaseline us up. For some people, it was baby oil, but you know, in the summertime, you put on that Vaseline and baby oil, honey, you be slipping and sliding those little jelly shoes. I don't want to do that to nobody. So next we have Odessi, New York. This is age-defying nail treatment essentials, power couple nail care duo. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. We've already decided that Tidal Rose, their seaweed hydration mist. Yes. Okay. What is in here? You know what? This is what you need to pay attention to. This is a nail growth optimizer in a neroli flower cuticle oil. Okay, okay, okay. What was this? I don't like when and this is because I'm getting older. When I can't read what's in the bottle, I don't know which one is which. Okay. This is definitely the fingernail polish, and this is the cuticle oil. I've never tried their product, Odessi, for my glasses. You know how you think that you are grown, and then you realize that if you don't put some glasses on soon, you won't be able to see anything? Put my little facety glasses on so I can see something. That's all I'm saying. Okay. All right. Let's see. I'm absolutely gonna try the cuticle oil. Not sure about the nail growth optimizer because I love my press-on nails. I did these press-on nails. They're getting old now, but I did these press-on nails and my toes look exactly like this. I am just so stoked. Has nothing to do with this video. Okay, so we have the Tidal Rose, and then we have the Odessi New York Nail Growth Optimizer and the Cuticle Oil. Okay, I will say the cuticle oil smells so good. Okay. All right. Now we have, I want to say this may be for your foundation. A good foundation brush. Can we call it a brush? This is from Birchbox. I will say that things like this turn into great products for applying like clay mask, or if you have to do a mask and you don't want to get it on your fingers. I love stuff like this. Now, this may be for foundation or something like that. I don't use a lot of foundation on my face unless I'm getting super dressed up. So I would not be able to speak on that. But I'm going to try it when I do a mask on my face and see what happens. This House Lab by Lady Gaga. What song I'm singing? I don't know. Okay. 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 So this Haas Lab, this is what? Their lipstick? Yes, this is Haas Lab lipstick Rose Shine by Lady Gaga. Help, help me, God, I can't hear a thing. You've got no something to. Why don't you know the song? You ever find yourself not been remembering the words to a song until the song on, then all of a sudden, stop going, I don't wanna think anymore. Head in my hands and my heart on the dead. It's crazy. It's insane. I don't know how, but that's what it is. Okay, so this is a container, and here is the color. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. And then that will dry down. Now, this would be cute with like a blackberry lip liner or a nice medium brown lip liner. It would also just look cute with a perfect match lip liner and just across your lips, maybe with a little bit of something light in the middle. Okay, we shall try it. I just did my lips, and I'm not gonna lie, I was eating also, and I was like, "You're really gonna eat food?" I had blackened rockfish with mango crab fried rice. Baby, it was delicious from Tark's Grill in Lincoln, Maryland. I said, "I think I might go back," or was it in Timonium? Maybe Timonium. I said, "You know what? I'm gonna go back and talk to them." Oh, okay. So this next one must be a Birchbox and Stella collab because it came with 3 of Stella's. Now, let me see, is this just full day lip? Stay all day lipstick. Okay, Birchbox, I see you. You said, "You know what? This heifer been complaining about this box for a bit. She been complaining about this damn box. Give us something so she can shut her mouth." Okay, thank you. I like that. Okay, so first we're going to try this color here. And this one is called Area. Okay, and that's this color right here. Remember, this is Haas Lab. This is their Rose Shine. Okay. Next, we're going to try Perla. Okay. I feel like these together would be cute. I don't know if it's supposed to look this dry coming out. I don't I don't know. I have to look because that's not I try not to judge unless I know 100% that something feels off. But it does not feel weird going on my hands. Perla. And this last one is called Rubina. Rubina. Okay. You know what? This is how I know I'm gonna need to go to bed early because who told me to roll any R's in this house? Not one person. Rubina. Okay. So we had Aria in the middle, we had Perla, and then we had Rubina. Okay. Now I will say they are drying down to a nice matte, which is lovely. And I'll see how it feels on my lips and do another video just using the lipstick because I love trying on lipstick and then with no lip liners and seeing how it works out because I have a suspicion that these two, with this as a light color, it's gonna be divine. Birchbox and Stella together. Okay, I see you doing something. Okay, so that is my Birchbox, my spring Birchbox, because I don't even know if I click the button or not. Like somebody needs to be in control of me. And it is my husband, but I feel like he gave up because he said, "What new box is coming to this house now?" I said, "Sir, I don't ask for a lot. I, baby, I don't ask you for a lot of things. I just ask for love, trust, some of your DNA, a lot of your blood, and for you to listen to me when I talk. And when I get a box come into this house with my name on it, I don't need you to question that because I feel like my things are my things and your things are your things, kind of my things too. You know? I'm just saying. Like that's what I want to say. But really what happens is I go, why you always getting on my nerves? And I feel like articulation was the first one, not the second one. Anyway, you guys tell me what do you want me to try in this box, and I will try it on and see what happens. I'm definitely gonna do a video with the Stella lipsticks because I feel like those are gonna be nice. And I'm gonna try that Haas Lab by Lady Gaga. I'm definitely gonna try that one. I'll do a separate video for that one, and we'll see what happens because they have dried down. This Stella lipstick has dried down so beautifully. And this is why I say I stop asking questions until I know 100% what it's supposed to look like because different colors, they dry down differently and they come out of the package differently. Had to learn that the hard way. Anyway, you guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Come back. Come back, Nikki. Come back. I have a bestie named Nikki. And she's always on my channel. That's what I call girl power support. But we would love to have you be a part of this community. Tell me the things that you want me to try, and I will see if I can within my frugal means. You guys be good. Peace out.
Girl, what did you buy now?